like I said, they will roll. So
Exactly. So you've got 2 of them in there right
there's
now?
2 in there. Yep.
No tricks.
No tricks. So it feels like there's one here.
So you'll pop through the skin, and then you'll know when you get to the vessel because you'll feel a second pop, and the blood flow will show.
Okay. I felt the second pop, but I don't think I'm in it. Do I
The good
not
thing
have
is,
it?
it doesn't hurt anybody if you pull back and try again.
Right, exactly.
These are designed for, fundamental skills so they don't have to be
pretty
afraid.
neat. That's pretty good too, because it looks like it's not like there isn't a huge big hole left afterwards, which is
No,
kinda nice.
It'll take 200-300 sticks. There you go. You're definitely in. Now, if you use a 24 and sometimes a 22, it's more like old dry people skin, so you have to push a little bit
You have to push
harder.
a bit more, yeah. Yeah, exactly.
So I'm going to just take
Let's
a
take this out.
There you
so
go.
I can
And you
do
can
that.
let go, and look at that.
Excellent.
Now, if you use similar